Incremental ratings. It's been a while, at least for me, it's been a while. More than 2 weeks without recording anything. I haven't been 2 weeks off in more than a year. In the last 800 videos or 1000 videos, I don't know, I never took that much time off. Which I kind of missed. That, hey man, I want to record videos, but I couldn't. Why? Because I have moved out to a new apartment. Incrementally, by the way. So I'm still sleeping on the couch because I have no bed yet. I'm doing this incrementally, which by the way, I will dedicate a video, an analogy of incremental reading through moving out. Unless you hire a company that you do this at once, it will be friendly with incrementalism. Then, what I want to share today is that there's a new milestone for pleasurable learning, not because of what I wanted to do, which I thought was already in the past. I said now I can do it. First, what you see now, well, you don't see the background, but the chroma key you see is using artificial light. And I don't have custom, like, fancy stuff from, like, a YouTuber. No, it's just the light at the ceiling. It's very well positioned. Well, I put the desktop in a well position, but the other way around, basically. That means that I can record whenever I want to. I don't need sunlight for that. For instance, now, to go ironically, it's raining and it's cloudy. I can still record. Not only that, is that now I have a room for myself. It's about the same size, perhaps slightly smaller, but it's enough. More important means that, hey, I have a hole in my schedule from 1 to 2 p.m. to say something random. Hey, I can record. Not like before, hey, I need to ask permission because, hey, someone is sleeping because it's the bedroom, right? And sometimes, a lot of times, I wanted to record, but was not possible, right? So most of the time, most of the videos were recorded on a Saturday or Sunday morning, like 5 hours, bam, or 3 hours, bam. Not in one go, with small breaks of 5 minutes to hydrate, go to the bathroom, restroom, stuff like this. Now I will be able to do more incrementalism, and because of this, means I could go live. So most of my content are always videos. So even if I have, I don't know, in case you don't know, the SuperMemo in action, like I did with Minecraft, I have more projects that I shared in a past update, and hey, now I will be able to be more consistent. So even though the session, let's say it's 20 minutes or 40 minutes, it's not even an hour, it will be more consistent. Hey, I can do one on Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday, not just one super big session on Saturday. It does make sense. So from now on, I make guests in April, starting in April, when everything settles down, because I'm still moving out incrementally, so when everything is settled down, I can relax, then just get the routine. And then I will go live with the SuperMemo in action. This is just, I tried a mock example I did for testing back in the day, this year. So more or less, I could go live. Hey, that's a session. That's generally how I will do SuperMemo or whatever software for this specific goal: health, Minecraft, reading a book, process a podcast, whatever that may be. And you could interact with me. So you could ask a question, and if I said, I could reply on the moment. And this will affect the recording itself. I guess because in live stream, I won't be as verbose as I am with the videos, because it's not a how-to video. It's a genuine video. That's what I will do. Therefore, I'm not going to tell you, hey, I'm clicking here in this menu that is called like this for this reason. Da, da, da. I'm not going to say all of this, right? So I think that will be a perk. So I will have the live streams, the long format videos, some shorts here and there of what is not that technical from the software. Podcasts, I got one episode, is still not out because the person doesn't feel right because what shared was too personal, whatever. And I have the courses, which I have the mastery put on hold. And I will resume the mastery once I'm done with SuperMemo 20, because I have a deadline. Don't ask me about the deadline, but it's enough that, hey, I have to prioritize my time or I won't finish it. And yeah, basically I wanted to share this, that finally there's a new milestone, and the only thing left will be to retire the Potato PC I use for recording, and the only limit will be time and willingness. Let me know your opinion, your feedback, because now, since I have always repeated the same formula, okay, but now that I will be trying something different, I will really like some feedback. And if you care about the channel, feel free to support me, because now financially I'm in a tight spot. That's all for now. See you incrementally.